India, in fact, has been made proud at the glory of the World Championship. And right now, the Chess Olympia 2024 saw the brightest of the time for India at the chess platform. And joining me right now is, in fact, one of the women chess players, in fact, whom highly contributed to this glory and this win. Thank you, Harika, for speaking to NewsX. And it's been a very 20-year long journey for you from a 13-year-old girl to now also getting the gold at this point of time. How do you feel right now?
I'm extremely happy and delighted that I made it. I dreamt of it a long back, and finally I made it. So maybe sometimes it'll come in a moment where you least expect, and that's a beautiful thing about the journey.
But the 20-year long journey period, I'm sure there must have been very challenges, heartbreaks, and good moments as well. At this point, when you stood up at the podium and when the Janganman was there, what what did really make you feel that you have made it?
Uh, I believe that setbacks and failures are for a reason and to get you in a better picture and better, you will get win in a better condition. That's what my belief system is. So I don't give up any time. If I believe in something, I keep working on it and I keep trying again and again. So that's how it worked. And I was more emotional, I think, when I got first bronze, and my baby was in my tummy, maybe my pregnancy hormones. But I was really emotional. This time, of course, I was very happy, but I was so exhausted that I didn't even feel anything. I was still sinking in when all this was happening that, oh, actually it happened. So, yeah, that's how it.
But you have come through this journey, which is the longest lived by any of the players in the team. You have seen generations change. India becoming the powerhouse of chess right now. How do you view this entire time? You are of course the right person to comment on how exactly times have changed.
Definitely, the time has changed a lot. Players are getting the deserved recognition, and our youngsters are coming so strongly. They're working hard, they're doing well, and it will inspire the even next generation even more, and they'll set standards much higher. So, yeah, I'm extremely happy to see the young crop coming up, and I would love to keep I wish them success, and I wish to learn more and more and even get better.
And how was the experience, Harika, of playing with the young women in the team? There are teenagers who are 20 years younger than you, and they, in fact, have also made the country proud. How was the equation like?
I think still it's not 20 years gap. No, it's less.
Almost 20.
Yeah, like I'm 33 and like youngest is 18, so it's not still that much gap, thankfully. Just to remind myself. But yes, of course, they're young girls and very young. As having a daughter, I would feel them like kids. So yeah, it's also fun sometimes to see the next generation and like how the system works, how they think. So it's also beautiful in and out to learn. They learn from me and I learn from them, and like our experiences, we share and give to each other maybe.
And Harika, how would you like to describe this one event in one word, if I ask you? One word for this Chess Olympia 2024, where India has scripted history.
Just history or memorable? Just memorable, I would say.
Who would you like to credit this support that you have got, and how you actually made it till this time?
No, definitely my support system is my family, my first coach, like who is also mentor right now, Mr. Ramaraju sir. Like all of them are always there. They celebrate my success as when I was young. How when I won, like they were celebrating the same way they're celebrating even now. So that's the beauty of support system I have, and I'm always thankful. But this special credit for the Olympiad, I think I would give to all the senior players who went and played and played and played and got better and better. Generations by generations, it started shifting to get better. I think all of them also saw some dream in life, and that's maybe in this generation it worked. So I would love to dedicate this success to all the old generation players who have contributed to chess and Olympiads.
And what is that one lesson that you have in the back of your mind and in your heart for all of those who are looking at you with a lot of inspiration, because you have countered a lot of setbacks and your journey is nothing short of inspiration.
Just to not give up. That's it, I would say. Never give up. Yeah, never
For
ever.
all the young kids that are looking at you right now.
Never give up. If you believe in something, just keep working for it. Maybe it won't come easy. Sometimes it might come easy, but you just have to keep working.
And One last thing that I want to understand, because you are a young mother as well, a young, beautiful child that you have, and how was the experience, dealing with the last Olympiad when you were experiencing pregnancy? And at this point of time, when your daughter is 3 years old and, she's all giggly to see her mother getting gold, how did it feel and what was the experience beforehand?
I think in pregnancy it was okay. I just took a decision. I didn't know whether it would be right or wrong, but it has now left a beautiful memory for me. I remember when I was playing Olympiad, the baby was kicking in between the games, so it's like I have to think, and the baby was kicking, so that's beautiful. I also remember that I don't think I did anything big. I think I created beautiful memories for me and my baby to see back in future, and when I got the medal on my tummy, I felt like, this is for both of us. So that's the beautiful memory I have from Chennai Olympiad. And now I try to make worth it. When I'm leaving my daughter, I just want to make every moment worth it. And I'm glad that I can make her proud.
Did she say anything to you after you told her that Mama has won gold?
She still doesn't understand. The only thing she understands is Mama goes in flight for chess. She misses little bit, but it's okay that she should go and play chess. So, I'm most welcome.
So that was in fact the moment which Harika, the international chess player, in fact has shared on her biggest victory with India at the Chess Olympiad. This is Simran with video journalist Kulbhushan for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.